What's happening, investors? Welcome back to another video. This video is for entertainment purposes only, and if you're investing in Palantir, you're probably thinking, what is happening here right now? This is a fantastic company. It's going down for no apparent reason, and I agree with you. We're going to speak about all this in this video. We're going to speak about an up and coming catalyst, some analyst price targets, and I'm just going to give my overall opinion as to why a lot of these growth stocks are going down right now. I think you're going to really enjoy this video. For those of you new to the channel, my name is Dean. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just someone who loves researching and investing in stocks. And the reason why I do this is to make some money. I want to retire early. I want to have a nice car, big house. That's my goals in life. So I try to do that through the stock market, and I thought, hey, I'm doing this anyway. I'm trying to make some money. Let's make some videos, put them out there on YouTube and try to help you out also. And all I ask in return is just invest in the like button, add the subscribe button to your portfolio, and turn on notifications. We talk about stocks all the time, and if you don't subscribe to my channel, you might miss out. So you're pretty much playing yourself.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
But hey, let's get straight into this video. Let's talk about the catalyst first. Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, they've got their earnings coming up, and last earnings, the stock went down, even though they crushed it. The reason for this, I believe, is because their outlook for this quarter coming up wasn't the best. They really undersold themselves, I feel. And the reason why I think they did that was just to beat it. They want to give low expectations. And when it comes out that they beat these expectations, it's just really good. So I like that saying. It's like under promise, over deliver. I think that's what's going on here with Palantir. And that's why I feel that these earnings, when they beat these expectations, we will see some good things happen with the stock price. But on the flip side of things, there has been plenty of times where good news has made stocks fall down, because that's the stock market. It just makes no sense sometimes. And the reason why I think this particularly applies right now is because all these growth stocks are going down right now. Why is this happening? I feel that stocks like Palantir, Neo, Lucid Motors, ChargePoint, all these fantastic companies, I feel that the reason they're going down is because crypto's going up. Everyone's grabbing their money out of these stocks, saying, hey, oh, these were just a swing trade for me. I was jumping into these SPACs. I saw these SPACs going up. I wanted to buy it to try swing trade it to make some money, and I don't blame you. But now crypto's going up. These stocks were going sideways, so it's a no-brainer. People are pulling out of this, jumping into the crypto, making some money over there, and as a return, these stocks are getting absolutely punished right now, which is good. Let me explain to you why that's good. If you're long-term on these companies, start making a position if you don't have one, or add to your position now. I mean, $20 a share. Do you really see Palantir, a company that constantly makes all these fantastic contracts, just recently, $32.5 million contract with the Air Force? Do you really think a company like this is going to be worth $20 a share in the next 5 years? Absolutely not. I even think in the next 6 months' time, you'll be looking back at these prices and thinking, Jesus, why didn't I just buy more? And I get it. I get it. Crypto's going up. You want to get into crypto, and I don't blame you. I'm invested in crypto also. I'm very bullish, particularly on Ethereum. I made a video about why I'm so bullish on Ethereum, and I think they can get to over $40,000 a share. A coin rather, and actually this year alone, I personally think Ethereum could get to $10,000 a coin. I made a video, I'll leave it at the end of this one, but don't click out, stay here for a second, because we need to talk about Palantir. Now, their expected upcoming revenue is $332.31 million, which is a 38% year-on-year increase. But with the contracts they're making, I truly believe they're going to smash this out of the park. And when they do, it can only mean good things for the company. Now, the stock's fallen so much. Personally, there's little room for it to go down much further. Surely it can't go much lower than where it is today. This company's just so fantastic. And that's why I feel that if you buy in, your risk to reward right now is a lot better than it was. Just look at the chart. This stock was up at over $40 a share. So when you look at that and you look at it now, of course it can go down further, but not when the company's so good. I think long term you're going to be absolutely fine. And guys, don't follow the pack. I've seen this pattern happen so many times since I started this channel, and even more before that. I've seen this pattern where everyone jumps in on the same stuff and everything else around it goes down. For example, SPACs. SPACs, any SPAC, doesn't matter what the company was, it just went from $10 a share to $30 a share, and everyone was swing trading it, everyone was happy, everyone was making money. But when this started slowing down, what's next? What's next? Suddenly we had GameStop, we had all these meme stocks come up, everyone's putting their money in there, it affected the SPACs, then all those were going up. Then what happened? Now crypto's going up and all those growth stocks, all those meme stocks, everything's getting absolutely smashed because everyone's buying into the crypto. And people are losing money because there's people buying in off this hype, following the herd, so to speak, and they're losing money because remember, all these stocks that have gone down, someone was buying them at the high. People lose money, and that's why I think that, sure, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with this investment strategy in terms of crypto. As I said, I'm bullish on Ethereum. I think they're fantastic. Buy some, I agree. Not a financial advisor, do your own advice, but yeah, I've bought some. However, do the opposite of everyone else. When you see Palantir going down so much, when you see a company like Neo, like Lucid Motors, ChargePoint going down so much, look at buying this now. This is going to turn around because let's say Dogecoin, for example. Everyone's saying Dogecoin to $1, Dogecoin to $1. Well, what happens when it gets to $1? I personally think people are going to start selling. People are going to take their money. There's people I've seen online. I've seen people myself online on Instagram posting it. They put $100 in. It's worth $15,000 now. How much longer are these people really holding this? They're going to start selling. And when this goes down and all the other ones start going down, all these old coins start going down, it's going to affect the big ones too. It's going to affect Bitcoin. It's going to affect Ethereum. When they start going down, people are going to pull their money out. People have made all this money. What are they going to do with it? They're going to start back into these stocks, these growth stocks, Palantir, Neo. We're going to start to see them turning around. And when this happens, everyone else is going to follow. Everyone's going to sell and get back into this. Then we're going to see this go up. And it's fine because I'm really confident in a company like Palantir. I'm really confident in them long term, 5 years time. They're going to be massive. They're already big now. They're going to be a lot bigger and their share price is going to justify that. So long term, these up and downs don't really matter as long as in the long run, you've just got this nice incline, and I think we're going to see that. And that's why I feel that Palantir Technologies is extremely undervalued right now, and I think it's going to go up a lot in the future, particularly when this crypto stuff starts dying down and people are looking for places to put their money. If we look at the analyst price targets for Palantir, this is the 12-month price targets. Currently, there is an average price target of $25.43. This is pretty low, although it's higher than where it is today. It's low in my opinion. I think this price target deserves to be higher. The reason why I believe that it's this low is because I think a lot of people still don't understand Palantir, what they do. It's very confusing. So for that reason, there's not a lot of investors in the stock, and that's something I agree on. I agree. You shouldn't invest in something that you don't fully understand, and I feel that's what's happening here. And once people start understanding the company more and we continue to see this growth, I think long term this company would be absolutely a fantastic investment. So if you're worried, I don't blame you. Look, if you're looking at your stock market portfolio, if you're looking at it going down, I don't blame you. It sucks to see, but personally, this isn't advice, just personally, it's not when you sell. You don't sell now, you don't sell on these red days. This is when you buy, because this is going to flip around soon. In the next few months, I personally believe that we're going to see the crypto die down a bit. People are going to be taking their money, chucking it back in these growth stocks, and we're going to be fine. That's going to wrap up this video, guys. Please check out my video on Ether. I made it at the end. I'll leave it at the end of this one, rather. I made that yesterday. I'm super bullish on that. I see them going to $10,000 a share this year. Check out my video on Ether. I'll leave it at the end of this one. I will see you all in the next video. I almost forgot. You know what you got to do. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what are your personal price predictions for Palantir and why do you think they're going down. I'd love to hear about it. I will see you all in the next video.